Let's check the presentation module. First come to File, New, and then click Presentation. It will call the LibreOffice Impress presentation. First, this window will show up. You can just select any predefined template for your slide. Here there are a lot of predefined templates here. Just choose one. But if you don't like any of them, you can just simply click Cancel. Then it will just give you the blank presentation with the white background. But here we will just use one of the predefined templates to make a new slide. Just for an example, click here, this one, and then click Open. It will create the slide with the predefined template here. Now you have created slides with the predefined template. And in this template, you have the cover, the body slide, and the back slide. If you like to add any additional slide, you can choose the slide format that you like and then right click, copy, and paste on anywhere you want to here. Okay, let's try something. Let's type some title. Cat. Okay, and we can add whatever we like. Dog, cat, dinosaur, what else? Fish. Alright. You can also add any symbol here. For example, I like to add a sun here. You can also edit the style. Okay, like a color here. If you like to add some image into the slide, you can just click Insert Image, or you can just copy and paste the image from the layout. To copy the image, I will call the snipping tool and then copy it. Now I paste the image into the slide, and you can modify something in the image just like this. Click here at the property, and then you can enable the shadow. See here, there would be some shadow here, or you can rotate it also, for example like this. Now let's edit the other slide. Here you can click add this slide, and then you can choose the layout. Here I just want to draw something, so I just choose this one. So the top you can put the title. I will put like a first time. Okay, and then I will just copy the image here to here. Rotate a little bit. I would like to draw a dinosaur and make it move. Here you can select a pencil. There are a lot of style here. Here I just want the freeform line, and then I will just draw as a freeform. And here you can put what color you like to the object. Here I just want a gray. Maybe more gray. And continue drawing. And you can put the order as you like. This one I want it to be on the back. Now I would like to draw a dinosaur. This is the tail. And the body. And I will give the color to the dinosaur. This one. And now we draw the back leg here. Put the darker color. Also the back front leg. And then you just bring it to front. If you want to do something else, you can always be able to put the color as a none. Okay. Here I just want to show some muscle. And then the eyes. The mouth. Alright, and then we can group several objects together. Click Shift at the keyboard and then click at the mouse on each object. Now this is the same object. Okay, now I will continue with the eggshell. Okay, now delete the picture. We don't need it anymore. And then just arrange it in the proper layer. This is sent to back. Okay, but this one have to be on the front. And this should be on the back. Adjust a little bit. Okay. Now we have a dinosaur in the broken eggshell. Of course, you can draw better than me. This is just an experiment. Now let's assign some movement to the dinosaur. Just select the object and then click here, animation. And you can add any movement, any effect here by click plus. So I want it to move out the eggshell. So we click exit here and choose how the dinosaur want to exit the eggshell. So I will choose fly out. And you can choose the direction also. This is the default is from the bottom. So I would like it to move from right. See? And you can adjust the duration of the movement. I will click 3 seconds and you can preview here. Yes, look like it's too slow. Let's make it just 1 second. Better. You can assign what will happen when you move to the other slide by using the slide transition property here. But first, you need to click at the slide, not any other object. So click at the slide and then click the slide transition. Here you can see a lot of slide transition effects. Then just choose one. Here I choose triple. And then try this one. Click on the other slide. I will choose push. Okay. And let's try some slideshow. Here you can choose how you would like the slideshow. Start from the first page or the current slide. I will just put start from the current slide here. And then when I click on the slide, it will show the next slide, and let's see what happened. Here, slide transition effect showing up. And if I continue click on the slide again, like this, you see the animation appear. Okay, that is for the presentation. And here I have shown some little basic feature of the presentation module of the LibreOffice. So let's move to the next function.